Hello guys, welcome to the Tovey tour. We're here at Drayton Manor today, William. High five.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to go ride some cool rides. It's also Thomas Land. Yeah, home to Thomas Land. So we're going to get into the park and we'll see you soon. Let's go, shall we have some fun?
Yeah!
Woohoo! Yeah, look at this. Wow. Yeah, look, Thomas! Yeah, it's Thomas! You want to go and ride him? Right, let's find out where he is and then go ride him then. Over that way, let's go! Wow, this park is huge, William. And what do you want to see?
Thomas!
You want to see the Thomas and that snake?
Yeah, snake.
Yeah, okay. Maybe you do. Okay guys, so Drayton Manor is home to Thomas Land and it's got plenty of other rides. It's huge. We've got here, the park opens at 10 but the rides don't start running until 10:30, but the zoo is open. So we're going to head to the zoo first, William. And then we are going to hit up Thomas Land today and try and get as much of the park as we can. Yeah, the zoo, let's go find some animals. Snake! Meerkat, yeah, look. Oh, he tricked you. Whoa. He keeps tricking me. Yeah. That's the reptile house, William. But we were going to look for the snake, weren't we? But it says here it's currently closed due to COVID-19. So I'm sorry, mate, we're not going to be able to see it today. Oh well, we'll come back another time. Unless maybe we can see the green anaconda through here. Let's go see some monkeys! Tamarins! Hello.
I just think it's a toy. I just think it's a toy.
You having a monkeys, yeah, you having a look? He's active. Hello. There he is. Hello. William, did you enjoy looking at the monkey? Which was your favourite? Emperor with the moustache? Yeah. The Malaysian black hornbill. There.
Wow.
Look how beautiful he is. Wow.
Let's have a look at the top one.
He's coming back.
Can you hear it?
William, a lynx. A northern lynx. And I think you find if you come round this tree, there he is. Wow. Look at him. That is a big cat, isn't it? See, he's got like a short stubby tail.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Cat. Stork. So guys, there's this lovely river that runs through the Drayton Manor theme park. Can you see the stork, William? Just there, look, basking in the sun. So obviously this is not wild. It's just some typical English wildlife. Basking in the sun. That's cool. Oh, wow. Stidgy mullet. Wow. Snowy owl in there. Down here. Aha, Mummy spotted him. Oh yeah, down there. And one at the back. Just there, look.
Please, can you go on?
What is it? T-Rex! Whoa! He's gonna snap you! He's gonna snap you! That is ferocious. Run! Ah! Whoa! Titanis! Huge! We're gonna get destroyed in here?
Yeah, we're gonna get destroyed in here.
If it comes out, let's go then! Oh, huge iguanodon. You want to call it Gigantosaurus? Utah Raptor. Yeah. Ah, so ferocious.
I want to touch you guys.
No, he might snap you. Wow. Nophosaurus. Look at these ones, they've got very long necks. Wow.
Is it this swimming one?
Yeah.
What it will eat those.
Oh, you think it eats people? It can't be that ferocious. Look, there's a little duckling. He's not scared. It might eat the duckling. Hopefully not. The mummy duck will tell him off. See? Whack, 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 whack. Oh, there's another one. Cute! Yeah, okay, so we are now going to ride, I think this is Rosy, I'm not sure, I'm not a big Thomas fan, but we're going to ride the train back to Thomasland now and go on some rides because we've finished at the zoo. Pretty good animals here, so that's into the zoo while the rest of the rides are opening, give you something to do. So yeah, onto the train, take this train ride back to Thomasland. Yay, we're going to ride a train! Okay, William, so we're going to ride Cranky the Crane. Usually Dad does the drop towers by himself, but you'll be brave enough to come on today, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds cool. Let's do it. Whoa! You're going to be alright, mate. Okay, drop down! Whoa! Big one, down we go! Right, last big one, you ready? Or we stop? Are you okay, Will? Unfortunately, I couldn't get William's reaction. I couldn't quite reach round to see how he's doing. Okay, dude, how was that? Were you scared?
Yeah, well, a little bit.
A little bit. I couldn't see your face. William, what have we got to tell our friends to do? Subscribe! Whoa!
This is high. It's so high. I don't even know this is really high. And I didn't even know that the thing I went up on my down was that high. When it goes down, I'm getting scared.
Bring us down for landing.
Yeah, was that fun, guys? Yeah! On a roller coaster? Brilliant. It's coaster time. Yeah, let's go find it. Oh, found it. There it is. The Troublesome Trucks Runaway Roller Coaster. Stand there. Are you high enough? Yep, you're good. Let's go. Yeah, there he is, Thomas the Tank Engine. Woohoo! So you see Thomas now, William, he's going to go onto that turntable and spin round. And now he's turned around, William, and he's going to come back. Look. Here he comes. Wait for Thomas. Give him away. There he is. You're not gonna die, dude. You're alright. Daddy's right here with you. You'll be good.
What? The roof this far?
Not just to hold you in. If you get scared, just hold it tight, okay?
Like this.
Yeah, like this. We're off. So we're coming up to the climb now, you ready? Alright dude, it's okay. I'm ready to drop it down. It's alright. One more time, are you alright with that? Yeah? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Did you get scared?
Yeah.
Me too. Too scared. Ready, here we go.
Too scared.
You survived though, are you alive? Yeah, we're alive. Dude, you were so brave. On the coaster. Yeah, you're so cool. Give me a high five. High five for coaster rides. I'm going to band slap me. Go on then. Yay! Right, come on then. And you get. Yeah, that's right. In there, go. Yeah, Bulstrode. Bulstrode's face. Get to ride the face side. Up we go! William! It's going to start spinning in a minute. You ready? Up in the air. You only put one up, it's okay, it's okay. Still very brave, son. That was fun. Keep going. Enjoyed that one. Favourite ride so far? Let's queue back up. Right. Let's go do something else. Yeah. Are you riding Tovey's Tam Express? You riding with Mama? Mama!
Yeah.
Are you ready for this? Ooh, scared?
I'm scared.
Hey, there you go. Whoosh!
Oh, how is this?
That looked like it went super fast at the end. At the end it was just a woo. Captain Sea Adventure! Yeah! Okay William, so on this ride you've got a cannon on the side of the boat and you can squirt the other boats. Yeah, that's why we put our coats on.
I want to use the cannon.
You want to use the cannon?
Yeah.
Yeah, it sounds great fun, doesn't it?
Because when we can, somebody else stay cannon on.
That's right, we might get cannon. Yeah, look at the cannons on it, dude. And then to make it spray, you have to turn this round like this. Okay? Ready? Start turning it. That's it. Shoot him, shoot him! We're gonna try and get us. Look, this side. Let's squirting on! Alright, dude. That's fun, mate. What a fun ride. Did you get wet?
Yeah.
I got a little bit wet, alright, on my knee.
I only got wet on just my head.
Just your head?
Yeah. Somebody only shot me once.
Just once?
Yeah.
What a fun ride. Okay, William, so everywhere we go, we get a magnet for the tour box, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we go in this, it's very loud, that coaster. Shall we go in the Thomas Land shop and see if we can find one?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Look at this place. That's cool. Right, you need to find a magnet. That's like badges, I think. Thomas everywhere. Thomas toothbrush. Thomas bar. What is that? Thomas Timer toothbrush. You've got cool toothbrush at home already. Woohoo! There they are. Fridge magnet. That's not a magnet.
I don't know.
Okay, if you want that one, we rode Cranky the drop tower, didn't we? It was your first drop tower. So this isn't a magnet, but we'll try and stick it on the tour box.
Yeah, but where can we get? Next we will find.
This is cool. Where's he gone? There he is! Got all these tracks. There's some cool tracks here. This is a pretty cool shot. All the different track sets. Where is he?
Snap band.
Snap band? Do you want a Thomas and Friends snap band?
Yeah.
Do it again. Show me. Snap it like that. Right, that's it. Let Daddy have a go. Hang on. So yeah, we found this Thomas and Friends snap band. Quite cool, isn't it? So hold your wrist out. Ready? Hello. So William, have you had a great day at Thomas Land today? Yeah, there's plenty to do and see here, isn't there, for all ages? Yeah, Lucas was able to go on things, and there's even big stuff here at Drayton Manor for the adults, like Maelstrom, and some other big rides. They've got a big, huge pirate ship, haven't they? What's your favourite ride? Coaster, or that squirting one, or the helicopter? Tell our fans. The squirting boats? Yeah, they were great fun, weren't they? Okay, thanks for watching today, guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe. They can see all our adventures, can't they? To other theme parks and other places.
We will do some more filming for you.
Yeah, we will do some more filming. And hit like, and we'll see you the next time on the Tovey tour. Say bye-bye, Luca. Bye-bye. Say bye, William.
Bye-bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Hey fans, thanks for watching our video. We'd love it if you could head over to our channel and check out some more of our videos. You can see us unboxing the best toys in our tour box specials. And follow us on all our adventures to cool places, including theme parks. And we would love for you to join the Tovey tour. What have they got to do, William?
Please subscribe.